Ford GT from Majorette Aerodynamic Test. Before the video starts, many of you ask me how a wind tunnel works. Here's a short explanation. First, you need a smoke source. It doesn't matter what smoke it is. What's important is that you create a laminar and thin smoke flow. Secondly, you need a smoke inlet. Computer fans are ideal for this. Now try to do the test with as little interference from the outside. You can use a cardboard box and make it airtight. Of course, you will need a viewing window. You can use acrylic glass for this. Okay, my friends, let's start the test.